I love it when the drum dances.
Okay, are we going for the million?
We're
$2
gonna try.
million?
We'll try. See what happens.
Let's see what happens.
588 bet.
Are we doing a 588 bet? Oh, you already
I
put
just
down a
spun
588.
one,
That's
so
a
it's
big
your
bet.
turn.
Really?
I didn't qualify.
Oh no. Does it get louder?
No, this is about as loud as it gets.
Oh my gosh, you got a bonus. A nice big bonus.
I know, on our third spin.
Yeah. All right, cool.
I know, and that was me. I qualified. So
For-
it's $52.80 on that.
And you got a gold one too.
So let's see what happens. Okay, so.
Oh my gosh, yeah. I would suggest the 10.
I was gonna do that.
Okay.
Okay, you ready? Get this.
Cool. Let's get a good one.
Yeah, more chances for more free spins on the 10.
Yeah, I'm not sure.
I love how open it is. So how do you get a re-trigger on this?
2 drums on the first 2 reels.
Okay. And then, okay, hold on. Let me just give it some love.
Yeah.
There's flowers.
Ah.
It's $144.
Wow.
I think. I don't know. Hold on a minute. Is that 140?
Yeah, it is. No, it's. I don't know how much it is.
Oh my gosh, is it more than 144?
It's a lot. $200. Oh man, I thought that was going to be a re-trigger.
Wait, you said on the first two rows or
The first 2 reels, yeah.
27?
Cool.
Giving it love.
4 more
Making
spins.
it happen.
Come on, let's get a re-trigger.
Come on. Better spins. Big
Come on,
money, big
re-trigger.
money.
Oh, dead spin though. Oh, so
Oh,
close.
so close. Wow.
That was the last spin.
Okay, so I don't know. I love it when the drum dances.
I know.
This is a scratchy one.
Yeah, it's a little scratchy. It doesn't get louder. Okay, well that's a good 3 spins in.
How about we cash out at 300 and call it a day?
Yeah.
We just tripled our 100.
Yeah.
Okay, so one spin for me.
Well, a few more spins. I mean, oh, too bad we didn't get one on the first reel.
Right? Oh, nice.
Oh, good. I
That
qualified.
was you? Oh my goodness.
All right, yeah, that was me again. $27 right there.
What the heck? That's amazing.
This machine's a little
Warm?
warm, yeah.
We'll see, I
Let's
don't- I've heard, and I'm not sure how true it is, that the algorithm lasts for a good 4 minutes before, but I don't think there's
Before it
any
starts
way
to die
really
again.
tell.
Yeah, I don't know.
You just have to have a planned cash out to be able to, safely
Yeah.
gamble.
If you go like 10 dead spins in a row, it might be a good time to cash out.
Oh my
man, where's that
goodness.
first reel?
I have no idea.
Oh, good, you
That was
qualified.
me, I qualified. Oh. All right, well, nope. I'm going to do a 288 spin because we don't have enough for 588.
Oh, look at that. $6.
Oh, wow.
Now we do.
Now I'll go back to 588. See what happens. Oh, don't. 288, babe.
Yeah. All right.
All right, that was fun.
Triple that 100.
Yep. Like and
Cool.
subscribe. Toodles.
Thanks for watching.